Lisa, I beg. Okay.
No, you're not my type of guy.
Okay, give me one chance, Lisa.
No.
Let me love you for once.
No.
Let me take you to the hospital to get this thing cleared off. I don't trust this medicine you brought.
They pass it.
I came to this campus as a cool boy. You taught me how to smoke, taught me how to drink, taught me how to scale wall, and now look at me, HIV positive. God.
My name and who be any. And yes, Papa, what do you want to be any? Empire going ruining.
I don't want you to reveal any secret about us, or else we shall deal with you personally. Do you understand?
What is the problem? Why do you want him? We are in public.
When you were looking at Sandy's butt at the poolside, was that your bedroom?
Mary, this should be the very last time I see you together with Royce.
Douglas, let me show you. Are you mad?
Next time, anything you see, let it be for your eyes only, not your mouth to speak.
I need to next time. Anything I speak, TM, there must be nothing. I'm a call.
Sandy?
But I remember telling you to tell me when you need anything, didn't I?
Come on, Sandy. It's not always that I have to ask you for everything.
But I'm not complaining. I am not.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Your whole family, in fact, your entire family is a shower kaba.
All of us, we do cheat, so you can't be telling me shit. Then, that is the reason why I am cheating on Sheila with Sammy. Shut up, both of you. Shut up. Shut up. Into my conversation.
What will you do?
Hey.
What will you do?
Woman, I found you up to them. Mahubala sent his agent Zuma to me early this morning, and all that he is requesting for is a sacrifice.
So you cannot bring a woman to a restaurant? Baby, who is she?
No man.
Will you shut up?
Hey.
Or I smash you.
You better watch your tongue.
On them. You pull up on them. You know say you be Yawa boy. Me I be Yawa boy.
Are you okay?
Hey, that boy. Hey.
You're steady, you
Let this be the last time, cause ultimate creative confusion. I'm a woman, so I make a chon. Let me see you.
Hey!